In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to stop AWS from charging you. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and go up to aws.amazon.com and then log into your account. Now from here, you'll need to scroll down once you get inside of your dashboard down to cost and usage. From here, you will need to click go to billing and cost management. You can also do it by go up to the right hand corner and then go down to go to billing and cost management. Once I'm here, it should look something like this. Once you get inside of the billing and cost management home or dashboard, you'll need to go over to the left hand side and then go down to billing and payments. Once I'm here, you'll need to go down to bills, and then from here you'll be able to see everything that is charging you. Once I'm here, you'll need to scroll down to charges by service, and you'll need to find your specific one that you want to delete the unused resources for. From here, you'll simply need to click on it, then click on it again, then find it, click on it, and then from here you'll need to go up to the right hand corner and go over to delete this unused resource or instance. From here, it should be looking something like this, where you can see you'll go down to $0 down here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!